So in this tutorial I'm going to share with you basically what I'm going to share with you that is important. I'm going to share with you types of governor. Types of governor. So basically most of the time this type of question has been asked in university examination, I must say that. But if you are thinking about, if you are preparing for any competitive examination, then you can also see this type of question in competitive examination too. So let's get started. So basically what are types of governor? Basically if we'll see, there are two types of governor, right? So one is centrifugal governor, and another one is inertia governor. Alright, so basically there are two types of governor, centrifugal governor and inertia governor, but we can further classify this inertia governor in three groups. Alright, pendulum type, and then dead weight governor, and then at the last I must say spring loaded governor. So basically what, there are three types of there are three types if you'll see. In case of centrifugal governor, there are three types: pendulum, dead weight governor and spring loaded governor. So here is the thing, my dear, if you are preparing for university examination, then this is not bad at all if you know this. But if you are preparing for competitive examination, then you have to be specific. Just like example of pendulum governor, that is what governor, I will share with you its derivation in my upcoming lectures. That's why you will have basic knowledge about all these governors, right? Dead weight governor, there are two types of dead weight governor, Porter and Proel. Now if you'll say spring loaded governor, then there are a few types of spring loaded governor basically. Okay, so here those Hartnell, and then Hartung, Wilson Hartnell, and Hartung, Wilson Hartnell, and Pickering governor. So basically all these things are come under types of governor. So what you need to do, you need to just remember a little bit. Now let me discuss with you centrifugal governor and inertia governor. Basically in case of inertia governor, we are having few things, those are most important. Basically in case of inertia governor, there are two important things you need to remember. Those are inertia governor. In case of inertia governor, there are two types of force act. One is centrifugal force and another one is inertia force. But in case of centrifugal governor, only one force act, that is centrifugal force, because of balls are there. Well, you will come to know what I'm talking about right now, about balls and all those things, because I'm going to share with you all important things in my upcoming lectures. So basically what is happening in case of inertia governor, in case of inertia governor, there are two forces acting. That's why that is one of the most important reason inertia governor having fast response rate. Response rate means if load will increase, then it is having it is having responsibility to increase its engine speed. That's why the driver or the passenger will not face any speed problem of the vehicle. So basically it's like that. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm talking about right now. Well, thanks for watching. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.